How to send the money to Ghana on Remitly mobile app. So let's get started. First, open the app. Then you will have two options how to do it. In the top left corner, you will see this flag. It represents the country where you want to send the money. Or you can click on this widget, settings, and also here, sending to, you can change the country as well. So I'm gonna do it here. Next, click on this arrow here, and then search Ghana. Click Save. And now you are ready to go. If you are not sure, you can click also here on this flag. And it's the same process, just search Ghana. Click on it, tap on it. And you are ready to go as well. Next step is just get started. Then change the amount. So I will send 20 euros. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Also make sure your recipient is from Ghana. He got Ghana bank account and phone number. And this is it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.